Today we're showcasing this 2013 Jeep JK Rubicon. Four-wheel drive hardware installed several upgrades and accessories on this stock Jeep, transforming it into a highly capable off-road rig with head-turning good looks and style. For increased clearance and traction, the build starts with suspension, wheel, and tire upgrades. Four-wheel drive hardware installed a Skyjacker 4-inch sport lift kit with Skyjacker Hydro shocks. The added suspension height provided the necessary clearance for these 18-inch ProComp Series 6001 chrome alloy wheels and these 35-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. Four-wheel drive hardware dressed up the front of this Jeep with a rugged ridge chrome billet grille, chrome headlight trim rings, and chromed turn signal trim rings. For easy access to the Jeep's cab and protecting the rockers from damage is a set of Smittybilt SureStep 3-inch diameter side steps. The chrome fuel hatch cover is from Rugged Ridge. Four-wheel drive hardware supplied and installed all the upgrades you see in this Jeep. But you can find all these upgrades and thousands more parts and accessories for your Jeep at Four-Wheel Drive Hardware. So if you're getting inspired, give us a call or visit us online at 4wd.com.